Hey, Vision Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Yesterday, Samsung made headlines with over 70 stunning renders of the Galaxy S25 series being leaked, showcasing the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the flagship powerhouse, the S25 Ultra. Today, we're diving deeper, thanks to renowned leaker Evan Blass, who revealed even more official images of these exciting devices. But wait, there's more. We've got a significant update about the Galaxy S25 Ultra's RAM configuration that you don't want to miss. Before we dive in, make sure you've reserved your Galaxy S25. There's a chance to win up to $5,000 in Samsung credit. Check the link in the description below. And if you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon for all the latest tech news. Let's get started. The latest Galaxy S25 renders might not completely blow past previous leaks, but they bring us a sharper, more polished perspective on these upcoming devices. Starting with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung seems to be introducing subtle curves to its traditionally flat frame, signaling a shift away from the sharp, boxy design of the Note series. On the back, you'll notice dual-layer camera rings that are now slightly thicker, enhancing the overall premium feel of the device. As for the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, Samsung stays true to its sleek design philosophy. These models flaunt ultra-thin bezels, refined flat frames, and an elegant, polished finish. Samsung's rumored signature colors for these phones add an extra touch of sophistication, proving that every detail counts. What are your thoughts on these updated designs? Are they a step forward for Samsung? Drop your opinions in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. Now, here's the part that gets really exciting: performance. Samsung is reportedly planning to introduce a Galaxy S25 Ultra variant with a whopping 16 GB of RAM. Yes, you've heard that right, 16 GB. But here's the catch: this version is expected to be exclusive to regions like South Korea and China. For the rest of the world, Samsung might stick with a 12 GB RAM configuration. If you're someone who juggles heavy multitasking, hardcore gaming, or resource-intensive apps, the 16 GB RAM variant sounds like a dream. But its limited availability raises questions. Should Samsung make this powerhouse available globally? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Tech enthusiasts, January 22nd is the date to remember. Samsung has officially announced its next Galaxy Unpacked event, where we'll get a full reveal of the Galaxy S25 lineup alongside the much-anticipated One UI 7. Expect a deep dive into the specs, features, pricing, and everything else you've been waiting for. Of course, we'll be here to break it all down for you, so make sure you've subscribed and turned on notifications to stay ahead of the curve. Before we wrap up, don't forget, you can reserve your Galaxy S25 now to secure your spot and potentially win up to $5,000 in Samsung credit. The link is down in the description, so don't miss out. With everything we've seen so far, it's clear the Galaxy S25 series is set to redefine what we expect from smartphones. From its refined design to its unmatched performance, there's so much to get excited about. And here at Vision Tech, we'll keep you updated every step of the way. That's a wrap for today, Vision Tech fans. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 Ultra's sleek new design and the limited availability of the 16 GB RAM version? Share your thoughts in the comments. I can't wait to read them. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you're always in the loop. We'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned, and take care.